Hey there, and welcome to Classkick. One of the biggest advantages of Classkick is that you don't have to wait until students are done to help them. As students work, you can provide feedback exactly when they need it. The simplest way to respond is with a text comment. You can leave encouragement, ask guiding questions, or help students rethink their thinking without giving away the answer. You can also celebrate great work with stickers and, when appropriate, score student responses. Need something a little more personal? Record an audio comment so students can hear your voice. It's a great way to explain a concept, encourage a student, or provide more detailed feedback. These quick touches help keep students motivated and informed as they learn. The real power of Classkick is that students can use your feedback right away. Instead of finding out what they missed after the lesson is over, they can make changes, ask questions, and keep learning while the lesson is still happening. When feedback happens in real time, it becomes part of the learning process, helping students build understanding before misconceptions have a chance to stick. Learn more at classkick.com.